Hey, I haven't seen you guys in like 2 weeks. It's mad. And it's been 2 weeks since I went bald. If this is a jump scare for you, then that means you didn't watch my last video, which was the get ready with me. So yeah, I'm bald. Just watch that video to hear what happened. But yeah, this is 2 weeks of growth. Can you believe, bro? Like, I cannot believe this. I low-key think the best thing I did for myself was go bald because it's growing the way I want it to, or maybe it not grow up enough yet why I'm pleased right now, but it's growing and it's laying flat like I want it to. Probably by next week, I think by the month end, it will be at a good little length. But I want to, you know, put back my part in my head and wear it to the side because this is giving a little boy. Worse because I'm about to pluck out all these lashes right now because what is this? Pain. Yeah guys, I'm gonna wash my face for a minute, sorry. That was so embarrassing. Wait, take two. These are what my lashes are looking like. I believe it's been over a month now, to be very honest, or maybe a month. I did these before graduation. I think I did these the day before my graduation pictures. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. Maybe next month or at the beginning. That was stupid. I was going to say maybe next month or at the beginning of December. I think I want to give the rest of the month a break, you know, from doing lashes because I feel like my lashes need some time to breathe. They haven't been breathing since June, July. And yeah, I think I need to give them a break before they all fall out. So on the agenda, I don't know if I explained this in my get ready with me. There's always something in the background, some construction when I work on something. Anyways, I need to plan my week. Today's Monday. I have not gone to the gym, and it's because of anxiety. I think I have ADHD. I don't really like to self-diagnose, but I think I have ADHD because why am I wake up from 8 o'clock this morning, right? So last week I scheduled my wax appointment, missed it. I rescheduled it again, missed it, and today is my last reschedule. So the wax appointment is at 1:30. It is now 11:25 a.m. Please tell me why I woke up from like 8 o'clock and I said to myself, I can't go to the gym today because I'm not going to be able to make my wax appointment. It's simply because I realized there's a lot of traffic on the road, and where I live, it is going to take a very long time for me to get a cab to go to my wax appointment in high traffic time. 1:30, no. I just feel like there's going to be a lot of traffic, so I feel like if I go to the gym and I spend my hour and a half, by the time I reach home and get ready to go to my wax appointment, I'm probably not going to make it in time, and then I'm going to have to reschedule again, and I am not rescheduling for the third time. So I just told my trainer I'd come later, or if I don't come, if I don't go later, I'll just go tomorrow. I'm really sad though because I have not been consistent this month at all with the gym. I lost weight. I gained weight in 2 months, and I took 2 weeks break from the gym and I lost 2-point-something pounds. I'm really hurt about that, but everywhere I go people are saying, wow, you look like you're putting on weight. So you know, all is not lost. I feel like I want to go to the supermarket today as well because I need to re-up on some stuff, and I don't know, I just feel like I need to buy some stuff that'll make me feel better about myself. I don't know. It's 11:26 now. I don't know what I'm going to eat for breakfast, but I think I need to make my way to the kitchen. Yeah, may I watch her video, and I think because Mr. she go supermarket, why am I saying to myself, you know, so many for go supermarket. So yeah, I've gotten used to this look. So if you guys are not, you know, adjusted yet, get accustomed to the look because I just this way I work with until month end. I'm gonna pick you guys up either after I've made my breakfast or when I'm heading to the wax appointment. Appointment, and I'm actually early. It is 1:14. The appointment is 1:30. Yeah, I just want to get this over with and go about business. So when I'm finished, I'll tell you guys what else I had planned for it. I'll see you in a minute. So I am in True Value, and the reason why I'm even walking all the way down here is simply because what I want is at the top of the aisle. I actually want what do you call it? I want a blender because my other blender is broken, and I have gone probably a couple months without one now, so I'm gonna get one. I don't know, sometimes I like coming to them places because more sittings and then I want. I don't have it. I used to have a Hamilton Beach one, not that one though. However, I don't think I want a big one like that again. I think I'll probably just get this. Much fun. Call it $6 grand. Yeah, I think I'll just get this. Don't miss out, man. Where's it raining? You know, I'm a horrible vlogger. What had happened was, because it was raining so hard yesterday, I just kind of up and down, and I finally got a cab because it was going to cancel on me. Finally got a cab, and then I went over to my boyfriend's house, and then I went to TGI initially to go by myself, but he was there. Basically, it was still kind of like me being alone there because he was there to do something else with some business, and me to just want to go sit down in a corner by myself. So that's exactly what I was doing. I was at the bar by myself. Literally, one of the staff members was like, "Are you okay? Like, you sure you're alright? Because when I normally see you here by yourself, so that means there's something wrong." And she knows something have a tall glass of alcohol. She knows something was wrong, and then she hugged me up, and I was like, "Stop that! Stop!" But anyways, today is Tuesday, and it is now 10:02. I wanted to be at the gym by 10, but I'm going to get ready now. I just eat a cheese patty. I'm about to get ready now and go to the gym, because after the gym I have to go to the supermarket. I might go to the bank, I'm not sure, but I have to go to the supermarket, and then I have to come back home, do my hair and my makeup because I have a video to do with Sash at 3. I just kind of wanted to get an early start, so I'm going to do that. I wanted to stop at the nail tech because, tell me why, my nail is chipped and another one on my other finger is chipped. Like, I love when my nails are flat, but it's just too thin, and every time I can come fix it. So hopefully if I have time I'll fix it today, but I highly doubt it. I feel like that's a tomorrow thing still. So yeah, I am going to go and have a shower. Shitos. Shoes, I don't have my gym shoes. I forgot wear next one today because okay, so I am going to the gym. It is 11:15. I'm running behind schedule, just pissing me off. I might not be able to go to the supermarket, so I don't know. I don't really need to go, but I would have liked to go today. More than likely I'll be going to the bank, and I will go. I'll see you at the gym. So I'm at the gym now, and I am on this machine. I'm literally lifting 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 25. Do the maths.
Care. Production. Whoa, whoa. Missy. The princess is here.
this machine, right? I'm supposed to be doing some kickbacks, and normally I do 62.5 pounds, and I did that a while ago and I realized it was light. Can you believe that? So I did 75. I did a little bit light still, but I knew I had 3 sets to do, so the first 2 sets of 15 I did 75, and on the last one I'm cutting it in half. So I'm not doing 15, I'm going to be doing 8, but I'm going to do 87.5. So we're going to see if I can do it. Yeah. I did 10. I'm done. Alright, so I am back home. Hello? Yeah, outside?
Yeah, I'm outside here, but...
Okay guys, I know I'm being a bad vlogger, but as I said, I was supposed to go to the gym, and then after the gym, the supermarket, at the bottom, and I go bank, and then I had to go home. I never bother no makeup. But now I'm with Sash.
Hey guys.
Nah, showing what I go on at the place, you know. You gotta stay tuned. We're gonna do a little chit chat shortly. And it is now 4:28. I don't know if I'm gonna do the rest of my life.
No drinking, so.
Chill. Anyways, I don't know it. I went to TJ last night. Oh yes, I did forget to tell them. Here they end up come eventually, and then Lee end up come, and then we end up go back crew. I don't know.
Then it was a squad again.
Yeah. And then I went home. I was responsible, and I didn't drink anymore when I went to crew. I drank water, and I went home. So I have to give my props. I'm being more responsible with my liquor now. Alright guys, so we just finished. It is now 6:08. Me didn't know if me tell Sash 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
But we know that never got
6:00?
It's after 6, my love.
I'm free somewhere 6:30.
You're too live.
Did I? But yeah.
Well, at least we done the video now.
Yeah, that's a good
make
thing.
sure you go over to our channel and check that out. Subscribe,
because the video is coming.
The video is coming soon. Okay? Yeah. Just make sure. I wanna say Andimshelby sent you. Okay? See you either later or tomorrow. I don't know how me stay really. If nothing else not going for the rest of the night, that's it. But yeah. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday. I wanted to go to the gym this morning, but I have too much stuff to do and I realized I wouldn't get there in time, so I'm going to do some laundry. So this is all that I have to wash. Do not judge me. I was busy. I've been busy, okay? So it's everything in here. Yeah, I just kind of put all of that in there, so some sheets and stuff in there too. That's why it looks so big. But yeah, we're gonna get this laundry going, and I'll update you as the day goes by, because I feel like I want to finish. I have a video to do from Wapikill Philip, and I think I'm just going to do that today, get it all the way. I also have a promo to do, so I feel like I just want to, you know, do everything. So yeah, people, can you believe as me I hang out the little piece of clothes them, rain is falling. As soon as I find out who's responsible for this, trust it will be dealt with. Okay. Tell me why when I put all the clothes in the machine and everything, sun is shining, it was a hot, and as soon as me I'm gonna look close them 20 minutes later, the sky is black and I saw lightning and then I heard thunder. And then the showers of the Lord came down. Every time I choose to wash. Every time. But you know what? It's fine. Luckily, I was supposed to wash 2 loads. You know, my sheet them and stuff. Those didn't get washed. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It's okay. I washed some. And you know, some of them are on the inside line. Some of them still outside getting wet. So I'm gonna take the small win. You know, a win is a win. Let's just call it that. I am currently editing this vlog because I feel like I just want to start it from now, or maybe I should go film that video. God no, I don't know why I just can't do it. I'll just fix this and whatever. And yeah. Well, folks, I'm sad. I didn't do my video, and I'm going to TJ again. I'm going to have a drink, and it's whatever. I don't think I'm gonna vlog until I come back. Pray I don't cry there, because it's either PMS is really kicking my ass or depression, like my regular ass depression is doing the most. So I don't know, I'm just not happy right now. And I really didn't want to include any of that negativity in this vlog. Like, shit is so irritating. The depression begins. All this is mine. What? What want to say?
I can't hear. I'm deaf.
I'm legally blind.
I'm deaf in my left ear. Matter of fact, I'm 42. Deaf in my right ear.
So it's the next day. I am at the gym now, obviously, and I'm doing arms today. I didn't go to the gym yesterday simply because I had stuff to do. I said I wanted to go home and do my video, and I don't know, so I'm just there. Alright, so I am done for the day. Honestly, I'm just really tired, like really tired. I don't know if it's because I'm feeling cramps or something. I don't really know, but I literally have zero motivation today. I can't believe I couldn't lift up 2 10-pound weights. That's how I know something is wrong with me. So I'm either gonna go home or go to the nail tech and fix. I can't see, but I have to go fix a nail. Yeah, I'll let you know what's up.
AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside.
Child. So my nails are done, they're fixed, and I'm going to my Uber now. I can't believe we're in a really fall right now. What the? So I'll talk to you guys when I get there. So I am at the supermarket now. I still didn't even get to write my list, and I feel like I'm going to have to like stop and start this video because I don't want to get copyright. All I know is that I need eggs because all of my eggs them spoil, and I need tissue. And I think I need meat. I don't know. I didn't remember, but when I did the video with Sasha, I actually did write a list because that day I wanted to go to the supermarket. So we're gonna go get these stuff. I feel like I do, but I'm not done right. Is that a hot and spicy one? Hot and spicy one. I don't know what it is. Oh well. Can't find it. I need corn. Can't leave you. No, where's the one I like? I guess I can get a regular one. I'm so tired. I haven't even unpacked the stuff. I'll show you that shortly. I ordered Pizza Hut as soon as I got home. So I have my 2 personal pizzas right here. And yeah, I go share them. I watch a 1 show from my iPad. And then we're gonna head to the kitchen and unpack the stuff that I got.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe and sound.
I'm going to unbox the stuff that I got today. I got some eggs, bread, 2 pieces of saltfish, ramen, more ramen, this is basically all I got. The rest of the stuff that's left in the bag is stuff for me to put in the bathroom. That's pretty much it. When I go back in my room, I'll check how much it came up to. I believe it came up to like 8,000 something, but I don't think that's horrible. I really don't think that's horrible, but you know, it is what it is. It was just a little top up still. It wasn't like serious shopping because I already have chicken and stuff like that. So yeah. Hello, I don't even know what day it is. Today's Saturday. Today's Saturday and I have gas. My stomach has been killing me. Yesterday I ate for the first time at I think at probably 1 o'clock, and then I didn't eat again until maybe 8-9 p.m. I was busy yesterday, and then I decided to go to my favorite place. I went to my favorite place and had food, and it didn't really help. It really did not help. Literally I was sitting the entire time with gas full up in the chair. When I tell you, people were probably thinking I was exaggerating. I was not exaggerating, but it cut up. But it really just one ball. Eventually I left, and then I went out with my other friend to 100. If I stayed an hour, it was long. I decided to just call it a night because my stomach would just not stop hurting. I ate the food, it didn't work. I felt like I just needed some ginger tea and forgot to lie down. So I came home, and honestly I just went to bed. I didn't even bother make the tea, I just got on bed. So luckily I woke up this morning and I was fine. But then of course I took long to eat again because I was doing a little cleaning. I was trying to clean and get things organized in here, but that didn't work. It's kind of a little worse, but I decided that I need to eat. So I just made some mac and cheese. This is what it's looking like. If you don't season your mac and cheese, what are you doing? Next time I'll show you guys exactly how I made it, because this ain't no regular mac and cheese. I got cayenne pepper, I got garlic powder, I got onion powder, I got Scotch bonnet sauce, I got coconut milk, I got the cheese that came in the box, I got pepper jack cheese. Busted. So I'm here watching this vlog because I haven't been really sitting down and watching vlogs lately because I don't know who to watch. I don't know who to watch anymore. I'm so tired of just watching vlogs. Alright, don't get me wrong, I love watching vlogs, but all of the content creators are doing the same types of vlogs. Switch it up. Yeah, we know say I got your nails. Yeah, we know say I got your ear. Yeah, we know say I got Starbucks. Yeah, we know say I got Target. Something else, you know. That's why I don't be doing vlogs, because I don't do nothing. So this is what I'm watching today though. Use my laptop.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. We're starting this vlog out on Sunday. We haven't started a vlog on Sunday in a while.
Her name is Shun Cook. I love watching her vlogs. I think she's just a cute little girly girl. Let me don't need to talk to them because like guess something there. I started again. And I'm not trying to feel like how I felt last night. So I have my mac and cheese. Hey! My aunt take up my ginger beer. And I have my ginger beer that auntie's taking up. I literally left you for 15 minutes to go and cook. Stop it, man. Stop. Just wanna be my girl. You know, someone need a new bonnet. I definitely need a new bonnet because I feel like every time I start a new segment or something, this is what greets y'all. Anyways, I just went and collected my package from downstairs. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Well, I know what's inside, but y'all don't. Everything in it is not mine. Got something for a friend, so everything else is mine because I got some stuff along with it. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I tell you, I be buying the stupidest things. I saw this skirt on Shein. I really want it, so I got it. It was on sale, so why not? So this is the skirt. I soon try it on. I also got these. It's like some adjusters for pants or bottoms that are too big. I don't remember exactly how it works though. I really don't remember exactly how it works. I have to go look on the website again and try to figure it out, but I don't really like taking in my clothes because what if I get thick? You know, I don't want to have to bust the seams open. So yeah, and I got a mini fan because why not? Why not? I got it because I went to this party called Republic Beach in the summer and I realized me did that burn up, and then me go on next party and realize say, you know, all of the hot girls have these, and I'm like, I need one because I can't do this. And when I'm at home and I have lashes and I want to brush them out and I want them to dry, I have to be sitting in front of my big fan when I could just use the, oh, it is so cute. This is so adorable. It is super cute and it can stand on its own if I want it to, and it comes with a USB charger. Plug it into the side. Oh, I can take it off of this. Oh, this is so adorable. And it already charged. 3, 2, 3. It has 3 settings. And here lights up. Yeah, sweet like a honey. I'll be selling them on the Seashell Abode. Sometimes I just go on to random stores, not even Shein because you know I have my other supplier for Seashell Abode. I'll just be scrolling through and I'm like, alright, let me test out some of these things first before I sell them. So that's what I do a lot of times because I don't want to buy a whole bunch of stuff and it's not good products and then I'm selling it. So yeah, I got 15% off code. So if you don't want 15%, use that. Eat your match for summer. It is winter, baby. Why are you sending me this? You're invited us to our summer sale. Are you dead ass? It's literally winter right now. Here's some of the damn time. Let me try on the skirt. Hold on. Lad! Okay, it's not that bad, but I'd prefer if it was shorter and tighter. But ew! This cranny bad. Oh my god! This is so sad. Ew! This not look good. Someone look a skirt for stay short and ew! Take it off. So yeah, it's actually the next week It's Tuesday and I didn't go to the gym today because I just can't bother. Staying home and I'm going to edit this vlog because I started editing this vlog and God no, I don't know why it's giving me so much problem. I've been trying to edit it in pieces and I don't know why. I thought I had a lot of footage, but the reason why I thought I had a lot of footage is because I was filming 2 vlogs in one. So for example, today I'd film a piece of this vlog and then later in the day I'll be filming a piece of something else that's supposed to go in another vlog. So I would think that I've been filming a lot, but when I categorize them I realize I haven't done much for this vlog. So yeah, I also don't think I showed you the blender that I bought. Is when I was rewatching, when I was editing, I realized I didn't show you guys the blender. So here is the blender. This is the blender. So she's looking like it's glass and it comes with that extra cup and stuff. Yeah, let's go mini unboxing. It's so heavy, Jesus. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I use it already. I can't bother take it. I can't bother take out nothing more. Y'all get the gist. I need to make my shake for today because I have not made my shake as yet. Woo! It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Y'all are probably going to ask me if I'm doing Vlogmas this year. No. Sorry, no, I'm not doing Vlogmas. I am not doing 25 days of vlogging. That's too much work for me. Sorry, my love. I'm not that girl. May I go bed and sing and come back. I know I'm not going to bed, but may I go bed now. Simply because from yesterday, I said I was going to take myself to brunch today. So I called one of my friend them. She's busy, she's at work. So I called one of my other friends and she's like, what time? So I'm like, yes, bingo. I just want somebody come with me. I just want somebody come with me. You know? Honestly. Never necessarily want to go by myself, but I honestly would have gone by myself. And I'm kind of glad to somebody come with me. So I'm going to bathe now. But first, I need to find a wig to put on because I ain't going like this. Where's my lashes? Yeah, no. If I had lashes, I'd go actually. I'd look more girly, but I look like a little boy. I can't have this and then go wear a dress. No. So I'm gonna see which one of my wigs I can just plop on my head and yeah.
I got a cute face, chubby waist, big legs in shape, arm shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow proper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper, do my thing, motherfucker. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always making rag top.
Alright, so I am ready now and I am trying to figure out which fragrance I want to put on. I am stuck between, focus now. I'm stuck between floral lavender and florental vanilla. This is now called amber vanilla, I think, on Dossier. I have a sample size one of this in my bag right now. That's kind of why I'm thinking of wearing that one instead. Yes, definitely, most definitely. I just love my cab is 5 minutes away. Anyways, I just love the smell of this. As you can see, that's where it is. And honestly, this was one of my first scents that I picked up from Dossier because I really wanted the YSL Black Opium, and I said, first of all, let me try it, or let me try a dupe before I get the real thing. And I have yet to get the real thing because this just smells so good. So good. I'm gonna ask if this wasn't $29.99, and if it wasn't $29.99, either way it's still cheap. I'm not paying 100 and odd or 200 and odd or how much ever the real thing costs, and that is fine with me. So yeah, if you want to test out any high-end perfume, this is where you can get the dupes, and it smells very identical. Just use my code Andimshelby 10 and you can get, woo, strong man, you can get a discount on your order, period. I am going to pack this. Where did I put the cover? Bruh. I literally just had, oh. Nah. So yes, I'm going to travel with this in my bag. I'm bringing my Teddy Blake bag because I don't wear it enough. And yeah, this is a very, I might not even think I look good right now. Maybe I need to take off these necklaces because it's not giving what I want it to give. Although I'm not really dress up. I'm really just so I'm gonna eat some food, to be real honest. But I still want to look somewhat cute. Well, I'm soon come back. You know, so them dirty taxi man are bright and out of order. Now I call people phone, you know. You know that you cannot make it there at a certain time. Don't take the ride. Cause why are you going in the opposite direction? Watch me on him. Right. I have to give him a piece of my mind. Out of all order. Yeah, I took off one of my necklaces because I felt like it wasn't really giving what I wanted it to give, you know. But as I said, this Florental Vanilla, it is one of my OG scents, and I think that's why it's not finished yet, because every time I use it, it's like, you know what, I do it. Even though I know I can get more. Even though it's not a problem for me to get another one. I just, I don't know. That kind of makes sense. Like, maybe I should go get some more instead of just bleaching on this one. And I like say, maybe if like say this is the last one they're making of the entire world, I don't want to use it. It just smells so good. So yeah.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for me. So cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting.
Can't stop eat. Thank you.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Guys, like it's really
10 out of 10
really
for
good.
these pork chops.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. And mind you, it's coming from me who not eat pork chops. I think this is my first time tasting pork chops, and
Just kiss.
I recommend. I recommend. I had the coconut fillet snapper. It tastes good, but I just don't like too much coconut after a while, so yeah. I kind of get enough shrimp, more shrimp, enough fish stills, 4 pieces I get still. And I want left. That's aftermath. I gotta drink my little drink and enjoy my night, y'all, when I get home. Whew. I am back home.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Anyways, I am back home and putting her back in the box, and I am going to get ready for bed. I am exhausted. Hey guys, I think it's the next day. I went to the gym this morning. I came back and I'm just very low on energy. I was going to cook. I really wanted to cook, but I couldn't bother. I just didn't have the energy to go into the kitchen and take out anything to thaw out or none of that. And y'all know me. One thing about me, I am gonna get me some Pizza Hut. So I got myself 2 personal pizzas again, and I'm just gonna do that, watch a vlog or something, answer some emails, and yeah, I think that's where I'm going to end this vlog. I was trying for the 1 hour mark, but I don't know if it's gonna get there. If I get 40 minutes, please just big me up, because this was very hard for me to do, to film a vlog, have a vlog that is so long. I've never had a vlog this long, and I realize you guys like long vlogs, so yeah, I'm trying. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.